If you run a residential heating and cooling company, you know how difficult it is to keep the phone ringing, stay connected with past customers, get referrals, and run marketing campaigns, all while trying to sell more equipment. Here's the thing, only 23% of past customers ever call you back. What if you could double, even triple your retention rates while also attracting the neighbors as new customers? Now, it's time to say goodbye to the chaos and hello to ContractorHalo, your all-in-one solution for personalized marketing automation, built specifically for the residential heating and cooling industry. It's designed to help you grow your maintenance agreements, sell more equipment, and generate more referrals. ContractorHalo offers 3 plans to grow your business. The Essential Plan. This personalized, one-to-one automated email campaign is designed to double your retention, bringing in twice as many repeat customers, and it's one of the most cost-effective and smartest investments you can make. The Professional Plan. Triple your retention by adding direct mail to the Essential Plan. Stay top of mind with ongoing cross-media marketing, so when your customer needs service, you're the first one they call. The Plus Growth Plan. Take your prospecting to the next level with neighborhood marketing. Homes near your existing customers often have similar equipment lifespans, making their neighbors ideal prospects. By establishing your brand in your service area, you can quickly earn trust and win new business simply because their neighbors trusted you. By syncing with your dispatch system, ContractorHalo automatically pulls in customer data and triggers perfectly timed marketing, making sure the right message goes out at exactly the right moment. Every communication is fully branded to your company and personalized with the photo and contact info of the last team member who serviced the customer, creating a consistent, familiar, and authentic experience that builds trust and boosts engagement. This automated marketing system can generate leads with personalized email and direct mail campaigns. Stay connected with prospects and past customers, and win new ones. Showcase your team with positive reviews and testimonials. Keep the conversation going throughout the customer journey to drive more referrals. Promote additional services, maintenance plans, and equipment upgrades. It also manages all your contacts. Identifies hot and future leads. Automatically requests and collects customer reviews for posting to social media. Sends SMS text messages directly to your customers, and includes powerful admin tools and executive reports that highlight customer satisfaction, marketing performance, and return on investment. ContractorHalo is co-op friendly and can automatically add manufacturer logos to your marketing campaigns, matching the equipment each customer purchased to create a more personalized experience. The marketing store inside ContractorHalo makes it easy for your team to target specific neighborhoods in your service area. This includes multi-year install campaigns, direct mail, every door direct mail, targeted mail with demographic filters, email blasts, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Explore how ContractorHalo can help you. Schedule your demo today